424 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 20th August 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 20th, 2020, 350 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 13,099. Total active cases in the state stands at 3,910. Total recovered cases stands at 9,063. Total 126 deaths are reported till August 20th, 2020. 67 years male from Dabolim admitted at Goa Medical College Bambolim with comorbid conditions expired on 19th August 2020. 45 years male from Mandur admitted at Goa Medical College Bambolim with comorbid conditions expired on 20th August 2020. Out of 3,144 samples tested, 2,209 are negative, 424 are positive, 511 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 96. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 31 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 20th August 2020. Breakup of total 3,910 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Picholim 19, CSC Sakre 111, CSC Pernem 167, CSC Valpai 116, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 122, USC Panjiv 194, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 58, PSC Petki 74, PSC Kandolim 92, PSC Kansarvarnam 51, PSC Korwai 105, PSC Kolim 117, PSC Chimpel 222, PSC Shuolim 53, PSC Porvorim 181, PSC Mayam 102, Travelers by Road Flight Train 6. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorem 97, CSC Kankona 42, Urban Health Center, USC Marga 525, USC Vasco 354, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 44, PSC Kansavlim 106, PSC Chinchanim 33, PSC Kortalim 105, PSC Kurtorim 105, PSC Lutolim 66, PSC Marsaim 70, PSC Kapam 94, PSC Sangam 50, PSC Shiroda 61, PSC Darbandara 74, PSC Ponda 223, PSC Navilim 71. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.